Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to read the deleted messages on Samsung. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the messages app. Then, if you set this to Google Messages, I would advise you go ahead and change this to Samsung Messages. So just come here, search for Messages, and then open your Samsung Messages. Continue with Samsung and then make the Samsung Messages your default. Once you set this as your default, then you should see your messages inbox. Now click on the three dots at the top right, locate and click on recycle bin. Then you should see all your deleted messages here. Click on it once, then you should be able to read the message. Is that? However, this deleted messages has expired time, so it could be 30 days or even less. And you can even go ahead, click on three dots at the top right to delete all the messages, or click on edit, select all, and then restore the messages. You see that? So that's exactly how to read deleted messages on Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.